Learn how to create simple yet effective animations in Keynote to enhance your presentations and captivate your audience. Open Keynote and select a slide. Start by opening Keynote and selecting the slide where you want to add your animation. Click on the object you want to animate, whether it's text, an image, or a shape, 10 to 15 seconds. Use the Animate panel. In the top right corner, click Animate to open the animation options. Here, you can choose to build in, build out, or add action to animate an object onto or off the slide or during the presentation. Choose an animation effect. Browse through the animation effects and choose one that fits your style. For example, you can use the fade or move in effect for subtle animations or bounce and pop for more dynamic movements. Adjust the duration and direction to customize it. Animate multiple objects. To animate multiple objects, select each one and apply individual animations. You can control the order by clicking Build Order and rearranging them. This allows you to create layered effects where objects appear or move in a sequence. Set timing and triggers. You can automate the animations to play on click, after previous, or with previous. This allows you to control when the animations start, whether manually or automatically, to sync with your presentation. Preview and fine-tune. Click Preview to see how your animations look in action. Adjust the timing, speed, or effects as needed to make sure everything flows smoothly and complements your presentation, 5 to 10 seconds. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.